Ito po ulit yung maglolo. Magle-lesson sila, okay?
Where's my eyes? Where's my eyes? What about my nose?
O sige, you will not carry by Didi. Hindi ka na bubuhatin ni Didi pag di mo tinuro.
Okay, hop, hop, hop.
O dali, mag-hop-hop kayo.
Yeah, hop, 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 hop. Me? Okay, we're gonna hop, hop, hop here. Hop, hop, hop.
O, sabi mo muna, Marco.
Hop, 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 hop.
Marco, dali turuan mo siya. Mag-lesson kayo habang nag-hop-hop. Tutsi, where is your nose? Ha? Tutsi? Tutsi, mag-lesson tayo ha. I'll get your ano. Where is your cards? Kunin niyo ni daddy ni Di yung cards. Dali kunin niya, Marco, kasi ako naghahawak nitong ano. Hindi, gusto niya yan. Tutsi, para makita ni Lolo. Kasi syempre para ma-impress si Lolo.
Mag-hop yan siya. 1, 2, 3, hop! Hop, hop, hop. Utibot, uy. Testing natin kung ano mo.
Sko, para naman ton linta, mga guys. Ayaw miwalay sa Didi niya.
Hop, 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 hop.
No, it's not. Hindi kami naglalagay dyan, ha?
Okay. Hop, hop, hop.
Hindi kami naglalagay dyan. Ayun yung tubig namin. Tsaka wala pa kami kinukuha ang tubig ngayon. Nandun yung ano namin.
Hop, 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 hop.
They're going to be grabbing everything over there yesterday.
I did not put some water there.
Just like I said, remember last night you grabbed everything from over there. Captain barely out.
Hop, hop. Okay, hop, hop, hop.
You want me to leave it there? It was just weird that it was like barely open.
It was open when it was.
Yan lang po ang ginagawa ng maglolo. Mag-hop-hop-hop. Mamaya magle-lesson sila. Iba-vlog namin yung lesson ni Toti. She wants always to carry by his D. Ano sabi mo, Toti? You want to carry. Sabi mo, carry.
Wow, sarap to.
Carry. Oh, Toti, ayun, nananood ang mami niya ng baking chuchu. Yan po yung malaki nilang TV. Ayan. Chongi is eating. Ayan po. Malaki. Gising po yung baby. Ayun na, teka. Ayan siya, guys. Teka lang dito para hindi kita yung ano ng mami niya. Yung lang baby, yung mata. Ayan. Ayan po, ayan. Ayan siya. Ayun, gising. So, kunin natin. Oh, layain mo siya doon. Oo. Sundan natin yung maglolo, ha? Guys.
Wow. Where is the egg? Wow. Hide, hide, hide. Get the eggs. Whoop. Oh, dump it here. Oh, oh, Tommy. Get the other basket there.
Babaliktad ko.
Pati, the other one.